Hello, mortal, and welcome to a classic Name That Tomb.
What do you call a belching gunslinger?
What? I don't know what.
Wyatt Burp.
Hilarious.
Did you hear about the two sodas who had unprotected sex?
No, I did not.
He gave her burpees.
Groovy.
Hilarious.
That one was my favorite. I can't wait to see the animation on that.
Good luck, Glenn. Hello, mortal. For more classic Name That Tomb, click the link below and make sure you like and subscribe to Name That Tomb.